At Phoebe, we're getting the services you need back up and running, always putting your safety first. At the peak of COVID-19, we were only doing a few surgeries a day in emergency cases. Not long after reopening services under CDC and state guidelines, we were performing an average of 40 surgeries a day, and we're continuing to expand that number safely to meet your needs. Do you need a mammogram, colonoscopy, or MRI? We're providing those services too, and much more in a safe environment. You can even request a virtual visit with your doctor. We're sanitizing facilities, and Safety First teams continually clean public areas. If you've been putting off a doctor visit or procedure, rest assured we're taking the steps to keep you safe so you can get back to the care you need with the peace of mind you deserve. Visit PhoebeHealth.com for more on your care options.